The innovation that we need to do for our clients requires a certain speed and agility, and Miro enables that by allowing us to have very repeatable processes, templates that we can use to get that going and follow what we're working on, while at the same time giving us really that infinite canvas to bring in all of the information we need in one place to understand the very broad situation, start focusing in on the problems we need to focus on, and then come out of that with a solution going forward. I used to run workshops in person all the time. We would have everything up all around a room. Miro's enabled us to do that in a totally remote manner, hybrid if we need to, and it becomes very easily repeatable having our templates there in Miro already to just accelerate our process for get started, accelerate our processes on training people that are new on the process as well. So it has made it incredibly easy to be able to facilitate that kind of innovation with our clients through Miro.